Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the SimPure Whole House Water Filter Housing Kit. This also includes a set of 410 by 2.5 carbon block water filter cartridge. Alright, so right here we have our water filter set. This one here is the purifier housing unit. This is the 10 by 2.5 inch. I do have also the bigger blue ones, which are 10 by 4.5. So this one is a little bit skinnier than the other ones, but it does the same thing. So you get the housing unit. This right here is where you can open it and lock it. Here is the place where you can mount it on a wall. So here is the housing. And you get some screws in here to screw it on in the wall. So this thread is a 3/4 inlet and outlet thread for most pipe and reverse osmosis. So when you want to lock it and unlock it, you'll use this little key right here. It just fits right on in there. And you just twist it to open it up, because you want to make sure it is securely locked so it doesn't spill out any water. So this does have a heavy-duty steel bracket for screws, wrench, making the installation one of the sediment filter, carbon filter easy. This water housing is designed for pressure relief button, which is the red button right here on the top, which makes it easier to replace a filter cartridge after the pressure is released. So once you release the pressure, it is easy to remove it to reinstall a new filter. So these do come with a carbon block filters that are manufactured of the highest grade of activated coconut shell carbon with a high iodine absorption properties. The activated carbon is wrapped with dense PP food grade non-shredding fabric, preventing carbon fines from entering the filtered water. So you have the screws right here. And then you've got this where you can install it onto the wall and into the filter itself, so it doesn't have to be sitting there on the ground if you don't like. So what I'm going to do is now open up the cartridge, because these do come with 4 cartridges. They are dense 5 micron filtrations of large filter captured particle size 5 micron or larger, removing sediment from the water, including rust, silt, sand, iron, and other undissolvable particles. So this set here does come with 4. So each one of these lasts 4 to 6 months. So the coconut shell activated carbon, it improves the taste and purity of your water and gives you the best value for your filters. It reduces chlorine by 98%. So when you install these with the other filters, it should help reduce all the sediments, the impurities of your water. It removes harmful chemicals, chlorines, bad taste, odor, cloudiness, colors. So it says chlorine, taste, odors, and VOCs. So when you install this, it is recommended that you flush the filter for 5 minutes before use. Change these every 4 to 6 months, especially depending on your water. So here in Arizona, it is so bad, I have to change these every 3 months. So with all these 4 filters, using them every 3 months, this will get you about 12 months of supply for clean water. You just put it in here, twist it on, and you're ready to go. So then you don't have to change this for 4 to 6 months depending on your water quality. You got extra 3. So besides that, it's up to 6 months. It's also including up to 10 to 15,000 gallons of water, depending on your usage and your local water quality conditions. It is requested that you flush and rinse the carbon cartridge to drain at least 5 gallons before using water, because it does come out with a bunch of black stuff. So it is required to flush it out before use. So if you guys are looking for a nice filter system, I would definitely say check this one out. This one does take out all the sediments of your water. Of course, you might need another housing unit with another 5 micron filter besides this one here to work to have clean water. I definitely recommend checking this one out.